Okay, so number 1 and 2, we just Hakuna Matata.
Yes.
And then number 3. So suppose we have a set of paired data and let D equals X after minus X before. The null hypothesis is
0.
Yeah, I'm just going to say 0. Cool. And the alternate hypothesis is anything that's not 0. New population standard deviation is not known. Jordan collects the sample size of n equals 9 and computes, computes D equals 22 and standard deviation, the SD, not standard deviation. Something that replaces standard deviation equals 3.3. So, what we gotta do is, if I have a piece of paper.
Wait, I got it. I got you, girl.
Ow.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Compute.
We have to do t equals x bar minus mu over s divided by the square root of n.
Red, because Mario.
Yeah.
In d bar equals the sample mean and sd is the sample standard deviation.
Yes. You're getting this. Okay. So the equation equals t equals the mean thing.
Yeah, so we don't have any. That's 2.2.
Isn't mean mu?
Oh wait, no,
In
it's
this
d.
one,
Okay, so it's d.
It's d bar.
D bar minus 0. What's
So
the
that's the null hypothesis thing, right? 0? No, like anything but. Yeah, what's the 0 part?
I think that's your null.
Okay, so it is null.
Okay,
so
good.
D minus null, and then over SD divided by square root of the n.
Equals what?
That
Oh,
equals your t.
okay.
No, that's
Got
the
it, got it,
equation.
got it,
I'm
got
just
it.
telling you.
Now go look
Okay. So
D.
Ow, you scratched me.
Did I?
Yes.
Me? Oh, sorry.
Okay, so do 22. Oh, sorry, 2.2 minus 0. And then over SD is 3.3. Divided by square root of
9.
9.
So that's 3.
It's 2.
Is it 2? What'd you get?
You smell interesting.
What I smell? I don't know.
Is it good or bad?
You're asking the wrong person.
Tell me honestly. I will.
Again, no. Liz, this is coming from the person who likes bacterial smell. So, you're asking the wrong girl.
Do I smell weird?
I can't smell anything weird. All I smell is my perfume. It's just the shirts because it's new.
Oh, okay.
Dollar store.
Yep. Okay. That's cool. Sit down. Okay, what'd you get? Did you get 2?
Yep.
You got 2. Answer is
12.
the probability of being greater than 2 is 0.0403. Use HA, which is not anything that's not 0, to determine the p-value for this test. We need that stupid
I got
document
it.
again for p-value, and we got it by our lovely person who is next.
I was thinking of just being a doll, but then Mario is much cuter, and dolls are creepy.
You just...
Wouldn't that be?
Yeah, Millie, we're weird. Sorry.
Yeah. We're not weird. Everyone else is just normal. Okay, yeah, we are weird.
No, but if everyone else is normal, then they're being weird because we're technically
Yeah, this is
normal.
confusing me. Let's just stop. I understand what you mean. I'm trying to spout that out.
What you mean?
They're weird because I'm weird.
Our null hypothesis is 0.
Yeah.
No, what?
I don't know.
Yeah, no hypothesis.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
What happened? Because our thing is 0.081.
Wait, how? Why? Because the
Because
document
we
is
had to do,
SPSS?
yeah, SPSS.
Is it? Wait, did we get that too? Or
Technically, yes.
like where?
Who
where
is this?
Where did we find that? Can I answer?
You want to answer? Yeah.
Hello? 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 Okay, you need to stop calling me, okay? Stop it. I do not appreciate this. I will not talk to you ever again. Don't call me. Thanks.
Wasn't it just silent?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Why'd you do that? That was weird.
Oh, should we do the paired sample test?
Okay.
What?
Oh no, we should do that one.
Okay, we're on number 5. Are we go with 0.0?
Was this a one sample t-test?
Yes. 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 Yeah, that's what, wait, what?
It's paired. So
I lied, paired.
sample.
Wait, Shannon, do we have that too? Or is that on the booklet, the book?
Where did you get that?
Yeah.
It's in the book.
Yeah, it's in the room.
It's the Excel.
I can't even
Okay,
get...
later.
This is creepy.
Stop them.
I don't know how to work this one. I don't know how to work that one. Because we don't know our difference between it, so we're just gonna go with this exactly. Yeah, because we don't have a difference.
No, I'm gonna go with that because we never included that, so it's, and without that, then we can't do a set pair. Because there's nothing to pair it with. So, because I would just focus on this, so, and then just ignore that, so just the same, it'll be fine. Let's go on to number 5. So use the data file, chapter 12, data A, to answer questions 5 to 10. How many questions are there? Oh, there's 18. Lovely. Okay. Make a column of differences in SPSS. Use a null hypothesis of 0 and alternate hypothesis of not 0.
Wait, what other are we supposed to talk about?
Called data A.
Chapter 12 data.
Can you use control find to find it? Or you have to actually go into the... No.
Chapter 12 data.
Where'd you find it? Just
Data files.
right. Smart.
Go to data files, Shannon. I want to see.
You want to see too?
I want to see. I love the x-ray of the pneumonia because I used to have pneumonia and I used to have that one too. Just looking at x-rays are amazing.
I love looking at them. And CT scans are even cooler. So are MRIs. I got to look at all of mine.
Yeah.
I only got to look at my lungs because I had pneumonia once. But they were pretty cool. I liked it. But not having pneumonia, that sucked.
Bam!
My skin was basically
Okay.
allergic to
Okay,
the sun.
what do we have to do for...
Okay, we have to find out D. 3 decimal places. D.
D
Oh,
dinosaur.
is the differences. It's right here.
Okay.
The mean difference? What do you mean about the difference?
No, just like D bar.
D bar.
Yeah.
So the mean of the differences.
Yeah.
this
So it would
doesn't
just-
change.
No, it'll just be the after and before. So,
That's
what?
right.
Whoa.
It's not changing the mean or anything. That's what I'm trying to figure out first.
Okay.
I know that you need the differences.
No, I just don't know what you were asking. There was a hole in there. That's what I think.
I know. Okay. That was from a safety code. Then one of my health insurance. Okay. Oh, I got this.
Here's the that's my feet. Here's the data.
Is that why I keep scratching because of my feet?
Yes. So this is our data.
Mm-hmm. We're trying to find D.
And we put it in, for us we would normally put in SPSS, but she has the little graph thingy. So, and we're trying to find
The D bar. How do you find that?
It's mean and difference
Difference
in
minus
mean.
B?
Okay, it's
Or you want
31.025.
Wait, say that again.
31.025.
31.
That's not
And no, because there's supposed to be, like, where it says here, x after minus x before.
Mm-hmm.
So we're supposed to have 2 means technically, but we can't find it. Question mark, question mark, question mark.
I just found it.
Never mind, we found it. Why did you find it? Okay. Oh, the difference was just...
Shoot.
Which book? The textbook?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. What do you
The
need from the
D
textbook?
bar thing.
I can't type D really. And that is a good idea. So,
The difference. Oh.
that's good.
Post and pre. Is that all they give us about the differences?
Like, that's all we're supposed to do. Like, they're supposed to give us kind of like 2 sets thing.
Mm-hmm. Which they did. See, that could be like post, pre, and post.
Each one is different.
Yeah, because it's like if you take a person who weighed 73 kg first, and then after your testing, you take the results after and then your post, and then you compare the two, and you find the difference.
But we have to get only one. There's only one D.
Take the mean of this one and this one and do that.
Like, should we got it? So,
This says it automatically, so all you have to do is you have to plug in those numbers into here.
I just like just in case I can't find that in the future, I just want to understand it. So
It either
that's how
wants
you
you
do
to
it.
use this or the SPSS, which I do not use SPSS. This, you can get this if you go to the data files. It should be. Where did I find it? I don't know where I found it, but I can give it to you on the flash drive.
are we ready to move on then? Question mark?
I'm ready.
The next one is to look for SD. 341, wait, what?
157.
And for you, SD is,
SD is the sample standard deviation.
so usually they would like randomly tell you, or if you had to find it, and no one had to find it actually.
Hmm?
Did you listen to anything I just said?
I heard standard deviation and then exempt.
Okay, SD is like the sample standard. Let's see.
I guess that SD standard deviation.
And then usually they'll either tell you randomly or they will, or you have to find it like just randomly.
How do you find it?
I don't know.
They want you to
Excel.
use the Excel.
Oh,
So you gotta do
that's that thing.
that. Yeah.
And I
It's
said, and you
basically-
guys said you would give it to me later.
Because basically what we do is we get this data, we copy and paste it, and it's like boom.
Oh, and it does it. Then it would tell us everything, right?
Yeah. And then now we're on the test statistic, which is this. So.
Oh, so do you just plug it in? Okay.
So do D, which is 31.025.
You can click it right here.
Or, oh, she found a thing that's the link for you.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll get it later.
And then 0, and then 31.157 divided by the square root of,
What's N?
oh,
Did they not give us N? Do we have to find N? Is that?
It
Oh,
is
wait.
20.
and this 20?
It is 20.
Yeah, there's 20 of these. So, yeah, 20.
You from elementary school?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
20, 0.407.
So, yeah.
It
0.407.
gives you everything on this.
She just wanted to practice it.
Was I right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
0.407. Okay, what is the p-value?
0.689. Or 0.689, sorry.
0.689. P-value, we have to do that. Because that one might come off. Yeah, we have to.
I like how you
just
just
lost
do
my
it.
internet, so.
Oh, okay, cool. I'll do this for you then.
Okay.
Okay, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? So,
If
because
P is less than, then it's,
yeah, our alpha is
You
0.1.
just don't want it.
oh, it's more than, it's greater than it, then it rejects, no, then fails
P
to
is
reject.
greater than A. So, whichever one is that?
Oh, in the textbook, if you go down,
Nope, wrong one.
oh god.
Wrong chart.
Wait, down. It's like in these things, this is the SOAP solution ones.
In 20.
No, go. It'll say. These ones. It should be easy. Try this one. No. This one.
Where is it?
Yeah. Yeah, if it's p-value less than A, then it's reject. So we fail to reject because p-value is greater than A.
Okay, so for.
Yes. Fail to reject?
Mm-hmm.
Suppose your alternative hypothesis is mean is greater than 0. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? So if it wasn't not 0.
Look back in the textbook. For like how to find it. So the age, what is it called again?
The null or the
The-
no, this is the
Alternative hypothesis. So it's your filter. It's the level of.
Oh, I think we just tested all over again. Question mark?
Test it.
What are you doing?
Okay, so instead of, because this whole problem that we did, it was like not equal to 0, this time we have to do greater than 0.
Okay, so is the p-value greater than 0?
Yes. So would it still stay the same?
We're rejecting the null hypothesis because this is correct over the null hypothesis. Because see, up here, what is the correct decision based on this
We
evidence?
failed to reject it.
Exactly. We failed to reject the null hypothesis, so we're accepting the null hypothesis.
Mhm.
But down here, our alternative hypothesis is indeed is greater than 0, which it is.
Okay.
So it's
So
rejected.
you reject the null.
Got it.
Okay, I have it down.
Use the data file for data B, and then we do the rest of these questions. We gotta do SPSS. Data comes from nosocomial infections. Null is 0. Okay, and then from here we gotta do which is greater, N or DF. DF is the freedom. What?
The freedom.
Yeah, the freedom thing. I don't remember what it meant, but it's the freedom thing. But basically it's like, no. Wait, wouldn't it always be N? Because DF is always N minus 1.
What are you trying to do with that?
The question is which is greater, N or
That's
DF?
important.
Oh, what are you asking? Chapter 12 data B.
Yeah, the null hypothesis is indeed equals 0, so what is our... Okay, I got it.
Yeah, wouldn't the N always be greater?
Where does it say N? Minus 1.
This is N. Okay, also warning you, I has a friend overs.
There's
No
another
promises.
person in the apart.
So cute.
Let me see.
Bambi. I'm Mario and you're a Bambi. No, it's cute.
I
I
don't have
like
glasses, so right now it looks like you're a lion. Oh, are you a Dalmatian?
it. She's a Bambi.
That's a deer.
Oh, it's a deer? I thought the spot was on the back.
Fawn's got
That's
a lot
cute.
of things.
I want to take a picture, but I don't have my phone.
Okay. But isn't N always greater than DF because
It
it's...
is. Because here's DF, it's 21.
Mhm.
Here's N, 22.
Yeah, I was about to say the equation for to get DF anyways, N minus 1, so I was like, isn't N always greater? Yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay, your last one. What is the p-value? How many decimals?
3.
0.001.
It's the original. Okay.
But this is in do you make?
Oh,
It's not equal to 0.
it's not equal to 0, and the level of significance is 0.01, and this one's... So P is less than, which means we
rejecting.
reject.
Wait, why? Because?
Because the P is less than the A.
Oh. Oh, okay.
If P is
Yeah.
less than A, then we reject.
Yeah.
If P is greater than, then we fail to reject.
Yeah. I didn't see the significance part. Take a picture.
No, I mean, our alternative was like that
I
before,
don't have
too.
a camera.
Okay.
Oh, it's just a whole P
Yeah.
A thing. Okay, we're good?
Yes.
Do you like my
Okay,
Mario
number 14.
costume so far?
We're
making a tutu right now. It's so cute.
You decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use greater than 0, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease?
No, you'd still round it up, 0.001. It did decrease though,
Okay, so it decreased.
but you would round it up. 0.001. Because see, it went... Because here's not equal to
Oh.
0.0012.
Mm-hmm.
Greater than 0.0006, you said.
It's still okay. It's still decreased.
What decision do you make?
Um,
You would still reject.
Can I do Mario makeup?
that's what I thought. Because it's still less than...
Can you fix my eyebrows?
So, still reject?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 more questions, guys. As we have seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. Setting aside the data on this problem, do you think a general rule can be made? Which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? So, using this, we
Greater than.
greater than 0? Greater than 0. Okay. The last two involve 95%
wait, till we're
confidence interval. So there's the
There's 2 more questions.
so determine the 95% confidence interval for the mean difference between two groups. What is the lower bound?
5.303.
5.303. And then the upper bound?
18.607.
18.607.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are we done?
Try it.
Okay, hold on.
Hopefully we did it right. Hopefully the computer did it right.
I don't see why we didn't. Ready, guys?
Go!
1, 2, 3, go! Good, 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 good. Oh, no. That one's failed to reject, apparently. Good, 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 good. That one also is not enough info?
It depends on the problem. That made sense.
Yeah, true. Okay. And then everything else is true. We're good.
Let me see if I can.
This concludes our meeting.
Wait, so why does it reject and fail to reject?
Because I actually don't know. Hold on.
Because it made sense what you guys said about rejecting the all this good and that stuff. Is it because it has to be the same as this one? The P?
No, because this changed, and so the P is 0.689. And then what's our A again?
It is greater than
0.1.
0.
So I guess we still fail.
When do we get the TA?
What do you mean TA?
Because
Oh, he emails you and then he asks like, hey, so when can I join your group? Because he did that to my group already. Oh, and then, okay, so we're done. Upload.